Welcome. In this video I will show you how to reverse charge accessories via USB-C using iPhone 15 Pro. To do that, you're gonna have to prepare yourself a cable with USB Type-C on one side and your connection type of the accessory on the other side. In my case, it's just double-sided USB Type-C cable, so I'm gonna have to insert one side of the cable into an iPhone and the other side goes, for example, into your AirPods or your Apple Watch. In my case, it's just an external headphones from Soundcore, so let's insert the other side of the cable into them, and as you can see, the headphones started charging. And that's basically it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.